Hello, my name is Alicia and this is my presentation. Let's start with the house. I live with my grandma and grandpa, and the house was built in the 1950s, and my grandparents have lived here for about 51 years. The house is located in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and is almost 2,500 square feet. I live here rent-free for the summer, so I feel that is a win-win for me. Here is the house. Doesn't look too bad for being over 50 years old. So how does Wisconsin compare to the United States in energy consumption? The residential electricity rate in Wisconsin is around 14 cents per kilowatt hour, while the average for the United States is around 12 cents per kilowatt hour. So Wisconsin is a little bit higher than the national average. Wisconsin ranks 12th in nation for electricity rates, so not too bad. Electricity consumption averages 703 kilowatt hours per month in Wisconsin, so it ranks 39th in the nation. The national average of electricity consumption is 903 kilowatt hours per month. The average electricity bill in Wisconsin is $93, which ranks 38th in the nation. And the national average of electricity bill is 107 per month in the United States. So Wisconsin's doing pretty good. Not the greatest, but not super horrible. Here is a few graphs showing what I just discussed in the previous slide, showing that Wisconsin in the yellow ranks 12th. So it's a little bit behind, California and Hawaii. So let's talk about the 8 appliances that I measured for the past week. So I did a lamp, toaster, the fridge, tower fan in my bedroom, my Keurig coffee maker, can't live without my coffee, hair dryer, television in my bedroom, and the microwave. Here is the summary table of the appliances. So what the watts were on and off, and what the end total was for kilowatt hours per day. So the total for all the appliances at the end of the day was 6.31. So not too bad, but not the greatest. Our electric bill for the last month, which was June 3rd till July 2nd, we used 622 kilowatt hours at around 8 cents for the rate. The city average is 11 cents, so Xcel Energy, which is our electric company, has pretty good rates. So if you remember, Wisconsin isn't horrible with rates, so not a bad place to live. With all 8 appliances, I calculated the total was 189.3 kilowatt hours per month. So what I have estimated is the fridge, which was 3.96 kilowatt hours per day, is a major big energy user, but I haven't found all the big energy users since my total is just a little sliver of the full total of the past month, which was 622. So what did I learn? I learned that my grandparents should think about investing in a new fridge. That fridge is about 25 years old, so could use a better, different fridge. I learned that knowing is better than not knowing. To find solutions for your energy bill, you need to know what is sucking up all your electricity and energy. I learned that I should keep doing energy audits, no matter where I'm living. Only good will come from it. I learned that little appliances can add up. Just look at the toaster and hair dryer. Once I started using them, the watts went up. I learned that where I am living now has good rates for electricity. Not bad, Wisconsin. Last but not least, I learned to do something, and that makes me feel proud. Thank you and have a wonderful day.